If you're experiencing frame stuttering on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to help improve performance and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Close background applications. Press the Home button to access the Home menu. Highlight any games or applications running in the background, press the plus button, and select Close to free up system resources. Step 3. Adjust display settings. Navigate to System Settings, then select TV settings if you're using a TV. Ensure the resolution is set to 720p for handheld mode or 1080p for docked mode. This can help reduce strain on the system. Step 4. Clear cache. Go to System Settings, then select Data Management. Choose Save Data Cloud Backup and select the game you want to clear the cache for. This can help resolve any performance issues caused by corrupted data. Step 5. Optimize game settings. In-game, check the settings menu for options that may affect performance, such as graphics settings or frame rate options. Lowering these settings can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of your Nintendo Switch, leading to a smoother gaming experience.